Hey guys, it's Erica. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day. I haven't done one of these in forever. A what I eat in a day, as well as I'm going to bring you along to some workouts I'm doing today. I'm also going to be including the macros, and not that I've like pre-measured the macros and all the meals I'm eating today. Like I haven't pre-planned my meals, but I'm going to include them anyways just to give you guys a kind of example of what I'm eating on a sort of daily basis. But if you guys are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below what your favorite healthy meal is and maybe I'll make it. I need some ideas, but let's just get started. So breakfast comes first, of course, so I'll show you guys what I'm making. So I'm going to have some eggs to start with. I'm using 2, even though the amount of cholesterol in 2 eggs is like already over your daily limit. I'm going to use 2 eggs, and I like to scramble them because I don't like the taste of yolk, but I understand there is merit to the yolk. And I also like to add seasonings, so I'll add salt, pepper, garlic powder, the works, sometimes cayenne pepper if I'm feeling it. So yeah, I just use Pam in the pan and scramble those babies up. And then I'm setting those aside because that is not the main dish or even the side dish. So then I'm going to make some spinach, and I like to saute my spinach, and I like to rip it up before so it's easier to saute. It doesn't take as long, but I just use a little bit of olive oil and some minced garlic in the oil to make it like garlic oil-y. So that's always really tasty, and I don't make a lot of this, but spinach does shrink down significantly, so I use about 1 to 2 cups, I would say. And then the last sort of dish I'm having with breakfast is turkey bacon, which I haven't had in I think 5 years. So I'm going to make some turkey bacon, and once it's done, I'm going to put the tiniest amount of maple syrup on it. I'm very much a sweet and salty kind of gal, so I like to have a little bit of sweet with my breakfast if I can, and that is the turkey bacon, and I like it a little bit crispy, so that too. And then I have my entire breakfast. Sometimes I'll add a little side of fruit. I'm not really feeling it today, so I'm not going to, but I'll also have some water on the side. Gotta hydrate. Here I'm going to list all of the macronutrients in this beautiful meal. And as you can see, it's really high in protein and vitamins, so it's a great choice for starting my day. And I'll see you guys at lunch. Hey guys, I'm back. It's lunchtime now. I just finished filming for like 2 hours. If you're watching this, go check it out. It's the TikTok. Wait, it's actually, I don't know. I think it's here. I made a video testing out viral TikTok eyelash hacks. So now that my eyelashes are in pain and I'm sufficiently accomplished, I'm gonna go eat lunch. So let's go. So for lunch, I'm kind of having breakfast. Ew. I'm having oatmeal. So for the oatmeal, I'm just gonna take half a cup of oats, and I use steel cut oats because I like the texture better, but rolled oats are fine. And then I use some oat milk, just as much to cover all of it, and then half of a banana, which I mash up in there for sweetness. And then I microwave it for 2 minutes because steel cut oats take a long time to cook in the microwave. And then at the 2-minute mark, I put blueberries in it and then microwave it for 45 more seconds. This is just so the blueberries don't explode, but they get hot enough so I can like pop them with my fork. And it's no sugar added, but it's sweet enough because of the banana and the blueberries, and it's delicious. And I added some almond butter off screen, but that made it even better. And then I prepared some turkey bacon and strawberries on the side, and it was super duper filling and gave me the fuel I needed for my workout, which comes next. On a walk now. Some days I go on a walk, some days I go on a run, sometimes it's a combination of both. But right now I'm just gonna go on my walk. It's like 1,000 degrees outside, so I'm gonna be sure to put on my sunscreen right now. And I'll see you outside. These walks are typically 3 miles, just something light, but after this I think I'm gonna walk on my treadmill at an incline for a little bit and then do some groundwork like body weight exercises and whatnot. So I'm just gonna walk at 3 miles per hour, elevation 12 for 10 minutes. This is like a abridged version of the Lauren Giraldo 3:12:30, I think, name of the workout. So after my treadmill workout, I just did these overhead presses. I don't know what these are called. I did 3 sets of 12 reps of all of these. These are really good arm workouts. And then I just did these little like hip raises and butterfly abductors, and then hip thrusts. And these are called clamshells. Great for your inner and outer thighs. And leg lifts. And then I did these laying on my stomach. So I just finished my workout, and now I'm going to shower and then get a snack, and I'll show you that. So I just got a shower, I am feeling good, and now I'm gonna have a snack. So for my snack, I'm just going to have some mango. I got this also with the money my grandma gave me yesterday. And let's see. I think I'm gonna have some strawberries. I'm very fortunate to have a full fridge right now with everything going on, especially with some of my favorite foods. So just want to say that I'm very grateful. These are massive. Look at these. Okay, so I'm starting preparation on dinner right now. I'm just working with some chicken. And then for the chicken, I just decided to brine it, which means just soaking it in salt water. This makes it juicier. I recently learned, and it's made my chicken a lot better. And then for seasonings, of course, we have salt, lemon pepper, lemon peel, minced garlic, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of paprika. And then I just put that on the chicken and let it marinate in the fridge for about an hour to 2 hours. And then I chopped up all my vegetables. So I used bell pepper, zucchini, broccoli, and red onion. And then I just sauteed that along with the chicken. And I made this for my whole family, so I felt like such a provider. And then I also just made a piece of corn. So that was delish. And that was my whole dinner. Again, a very protein-packed choice. I also had some quinoa with it that my mom made. And so here are the macros on that. And then I was not done for the day, so I decided to heat up some gluten-free oat banana chocolate chip cookies I made. And then I just had a seltzer. This is my favorite flavor. It's peach honey, and it's divine.